spinning. Looks like a ghost.
One time the Detroit Boat Club was one of the premier clubs in the city of Detroit. You can see from its location, it's right on the river, obviously, on Belle Isle. And all these docks for boats and swimming pool, kiddie pool. Now it's completely dilapidated. The club itself was, I believe, it was kicked out by the city from the property. I don't know how exactly that worked, but you can see this is, I'm outside on the porch. There's the rowers working outside. Started. You can see there's still wonderful remnants of the building being in amazing shape, considering the damage. I can't imagine how they could heat it. Let's see the woodwork. Still here. Grand ballroom is where they row. The ergs.
Legs are flat. Legs are flat. Keep your legs flat at this point. Keep your legs flat. Swing your body forward. Arms out. Move forward.
Good job.
Still sitting up. Pull through.
The boat wasn't there when it was a club.
Swing it. Let's go. We're going to have to get into the sand. That's why we're making you pull in right in your chest. Everybody, pull in right in your chest.
You can see the beautiful oak paneling is still here. This is obviously a coat room. Many a grand occasion, I'm sure, happened. I remember coming to some events here. And down the hallway. Phone booths. Oh, I can't imagine. Kitchen. Oh, man. Oh, wallpaper a little dated. Amazing they have such use for all this facility now. Another room, some sort of meeting or dining room, ergs and equipment. A couple singles on the floor. Nice Hudson. Office of some sort. Used to be the bar, I suppose, a cocktail lounge. A lot of water damage. I wonder how the roof is. Here's a good shot of the beautiful paint on the rafters. There's another room, another meeting room. I don't know if this is the upstairs, but the roof doesn't seem to be leaking. It has some water spots, actually. So maybe they do have some water damage. Great view, though. You look down the river a ways, you can see all the boats moored down there. And that's actually the Detroit Yacht Club, which is still going. This is the west side of the club. The old balcony there overlooking the docks. You can see there. Just falling apart.
Hang on there, fella. Now, guys, now the spoon,
These are the bays. Got 3 boat bays. The oar bays are on the back. Singles, doubles. 8's in the first bay, obviously. And some 4s in here. This is the boatman's bay, where he's doing work. And look at the name on this boat. Our neighbor, Emma Peck. This is up on the porch.
And what, you guys, on the dock, watch your step, always at the dock.